The downpipe is off, and that is what the exhaust side of the turbo looks like. I actually don't really see any signs of oil. I mean, definitely a lot of like exhaust and probably carbon buildup, I presume is what that black stuff is. But this seal right here is open. I'm not really sure if that's supposed to be open right now or if that's supposed to be closed, but that's really all I can see once taking the downpipe off is the blades right there, which look to be okay, and then this guy right here. So maybe one of you guys down in the comments or watching this video will have a better idea, so let me know if you guys have any recommendations on this. Today I wanted to get out to the F30 and take off the downpipe and get a look at the turbo and see if I could get any visual signs of what's going on. If you guys remember the exhaust issue I was having with startup, I would have some just more exhaust coming out of the back end than I should, even though I'm catless and whatnot. And it always had a tinge of like a little bit of blue smoke, so I had thought that the turbo oil feed seals had maybe gone bad. I'm not even sure. I guess you can't see them maybe from this side of the turbo, so is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and put the stock downpipe back in. I want to see how it runs after that, as well as my inspection is now up. So I need to go ahead and get this thing inspected for the new year. I also wanna go ahead and bring it over to BMW, and I have some issues that I wanna talk to them about, as well as this one, the timing chain, and just like a few other things I wanna talk about. I'm gonna go ahead and put the stock downpipe back in and put this thing back together.